Have you done the Smashburger tacos yet? Well, my friends, you should do that like right after this video, but watch it first. Today we're doing 2 types of Smashburger tacos. We're gonna do it on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. So first things first, we gotta get our meat ready, our ground beef, okay? What kind of meat we're gonna use? I'm glad you asked. Just good old 80-20 ground chuck right from the supermarket. Let's get in this. Gonna plop it right there. Now we said we're gonna do half and half. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. I got a calibrated eye. So I'm just gonna calibrate and just go right half and half. That's exactly right. First seasoning, it's gonna be Fiesta dust. It's gonna be like a Mexican flavor. There you go, a little Fiesta dust. Some of my own stuff here. If you're interested, there is a link below. It's not hot, so don't be scared of it. I'm just gonna take and loosely add some to the burger meat. If you just want to sprinkle it on just the ball before, it's fine too. I'm gonna try to keep everything a little bit. There we go. Hey, a little more. Be liberal with it, okay? If you need more, your boy's got you, okay? There we go. All right. Our second one, I'm gonna just use regular old Heifer dust. And we're going for more of like a Big Mac, you know, just a regular old cheeseburger, you know, kind of style. That's what I did last year. I did this recipe last year, and man, I tell you, they were really good. And I thought, you gotta do these another time, hussy. So here we are, once again. All right, now, because they're smashed, you don't need a very big patty, okay? About a 2 ounce, 2 to 3 ounce ball. And remember, calibrated eye, it's about 2.5 ounces right there. I don't even need to get a scale and prove otherwise. I said what I said. That's a little bit big right there, okay? Now, there's several ways that people do these Smashburger tacos. Some, you know, the camp's like 50-50, just like everything else. People do things differently. And I suggest just do it the way you like, the way you start out, or however. There's no right or wrong way here, y'all. All right, we'll do the Fiesta ones now. Now, some people, they'll smear the meat onto the tortilla. I'm not really a fan of that. I just smash the tortilla with, take the ball and use the tortilla almost as a medium to smash it. So you'll see here in a minute. But by all means, if you want to spread yours all over the tortilla and then cook it, go right ahead. It ain't gonna bother me one bit. All right. Should be able to get 6 of each. And there we go. Now I do want to say, let's go ahead and pre-warm your griddle. Just go ahead and put that like on a low temp. And so it'd be nice and hot and ready for when you're ready to smash these. All right, so everything is prepped, okay? We got our meatballs right here. We have our tortillas. I got flour and also got some corn. You wanna get everything ready. This goes super fast, okay? Whatever condiments, whatever ingredients that you want, make sure you got those ready. Cheese, doing pepper jack on the Fiesta. The right choice, the best choice, American for just a regular old hamburger, cheeseburger, okay? Got a few other things we'll go over here in a minute. Let's head over to the griddle. All right, well, we have nothing more to do here, folks, but to get things started. Our griddle, it's nice and hot. I got it on low right now, but right here in the middle, actually all of these, I want to go to more about a medium heat. And I want to make sure everything is nice and hot, so that way whenever we put it down, there's not going to be a thermal shock, and I don't want it to cool down really fast. I just want to make sure it's hot, 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 hot. I'm going to do 2 right here, one with corn, one with flour, and this is going to be Heifer dust seasoned first. And again, these go pretty fast. And so the cool thing is, you just take your tortillas and just grab it, just like that. So I'm just gonna come right here. You hear that? And now, I don't know where my smasher went to, but that's okay. I'm just gonna take a big old spatula here. They're already seasoned, so you don't have to worry about that. There we go. Going on to our flour. Oh yeah. And y'all, like I said, goes fast. It goes really, really fast. All right, we're just gonna let that kind of hang out. Whenever you smash it and all that kind of grease kind of comes out, that's what you want. You want that tortilla to fry into that beef tallow. All right, after about, I would say anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, you're ready. Look at that. Perfecto. I could have gotten a little bit bigger with that one, but you know what? It's fine. We're gonna let it get crisped up on this side and we're good to go. Actually, we got a griddle. So we're just gonna put these right over here. We're gonna get the Fiesta dust ones ready. Fiesta, one for you. Now, like I said before, some people will take and just smear these all over the tortillas first. I just don't think you have to. If you don't want to, if you want to, fine. If you don't, fine too. Bam. Oh yeah, just give out a nice masher-rooney there. All right, so our first ones are done. Just gonna lay these over on our cutting board. All right, let's see where we're at. Perfect. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with these. When I did these last year, I'm telling you, well, we can go back to the footage. I just ate these things. I ate them and I ate them. They were so good. I may have ate 6. I may have ate 6. I'm just saying, maybe 8. I don't know. Want to get these heifer dust ones, and then I'm gonna get the Fiesta dust. All right, our flour one is done. Fiesta. I'm gonna do a little bit more on this corn. Lord have mercy. Guess what I did, y'all? I forgot the cheese. Gotta put cheese on these. It's okay. Watch this. Why didn't y'all tell me? All right. Doing some pepper jack. Pepper jack on those. That's okay. Watch this. Watch this right here. It's gonna melt that cheese just perfectly. If you wanna take a dome, you could do that too, but it's not necessary. All right. Yes, the dust ones, good to go. Woo, baby. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that American cheese right there, son. Got a nice little skirt on it. All right. All right, let's head back over to the cutting board. Let's give these suckers a try. All right, we cut our burners off. Now let's build these dudes, okay? So for our kind of American style, I got this burger sauce. It's called the burger sauce from Kinder's. Looked good. I tasted it on my finger. Tasted pretty good. Let's give it a try. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that, a little bit of onion, a little bit of lettuce, a few pickles. All right, sky's the limit here. Whatever you wanna do. Might take just a little bit more of this burger sauce, because I'm saucy. Next, we'll do a little sour cream first. Just whoop. That's a lot right there, actually. And then we'll do a little bit of lettuce. A little bit of lettuce. Sour cream's kind of like our mayonnaise. Got some pickled jalapenos, kind of a Mexican style, okay? Whew. Boy, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Ooh, I got a little avocado. A little avocado. That's the way I like to do my avocados. Just kind of slice them down the middle, kind of go around, and just take you a spoon, and just kind of place it just like that. Makes nice little half moons, if you will. You want a few tomatoes, you can do tomatoes. There we go. Actually, I might do some of this burger sauce. There we go. We'll take a little bit more of this Fiesta, a little post dust, just like that. Dang it, boys. A little post dust of Heifer also. There we go. All right, which one we gonna try first? We're gonna do the American style. Woo! Ho, 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 boy, I cannot wait. Woo! Let's go. Mmm. Mmm. Just like, that might be better than the one I had last year. The tortilla has gotten nice and crispy, crunchy. Our burger sauce is good. Excuse the air conditioner units. It's hot outside, y'all. It's 90 degrees today. I can't stop eating it. Sign me up for 6 of them. We'll try the corn. Everybody always like, oh, you should have did corn. I'm doing corn. Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. Corn ain't right. Oh, corn right. I kind of like the flavor it gives. Corn has more flavor, really, than a flour. That corn might be my favorite, but there's just a lot of things that work. The beef has a nice crust to it. You got the American cheese, nice creaminess. Dude, these things just work. Oh, this one's fell apart. I got it a little bit too hot. Let's try it anyway. You ready? Cheers. This is the Mexican one. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, that was good. I love that Fiesta dust. Got a warmth to it. Mmm. Mmm. Sour cream. Tastes so good. I get the pickled jalapenos, that cheese. I love, love, love pepper jack cheese. That was good. The tortilla fell apart, corn tortilla. I left it on there too long. I was having to do some other stuff. The flour does hold up a little bit better. Let's give the flour a try. I don't know. I keep on going back and forth. Flour, corn. I like them both. I wouldn't be mad at either one. Y'all need to give these a try. I mean, like, seriously, give these things a try. That's all I got for you. Appreciate you watching. There might be some behind the scenes. There might be some bloopers. I don't really know. Appreciate y'all. Bye now. What kind of meat we're gonna use? I'm glad you asked. Just good old 80-20 ground chuck right from the supermarket. A little pricey per pound, y'all. It's getting a little ridiculous. Just want to know, we won't let you know that. Whenever one breaks, a little chef's treat. Okay? Am I forgetting anything? Because y'all know I'll be forgetting some stuff. Somebody's screaming at their TV screen right now or their phone. Hussy, you forgot the cheese. That's okay.